A great company culture, what does that do for a business?
What creates great company culture is great leadership.
Do you want to be a leader? Such a specific job. That's an excellent question. That's tough.
The best leaders that I had in their quality,
I kind of like that. I think the best leaders that I've ever worked under are the ones who model openness and fallibility.
One, they were empathetic. They held a high sense of accountability. And also they were always driving a vision, and a vision that we could all connect to.
I see them not standing in front of people and dictating, but leading from behind and pushing their people forward.
great leaders are individuals who want to see their team members thrive.
They will be the ones to start. They're going to show you the way.
A leader will be honest, they will be truthful, and they will be genuinely caring about their people.
You don't wake up an expert at everything. And I think great leaders are individuals who give themselves grace and are willing to change.
It's very easy to follow somebody when you believe that that person knows you and cares about you.
Do you say confidently that you are a leader, or do you wait for someone else to tell you? You have to step in boldly to that position and be willing to make mistakes, be willing to mess up, but believe that you are that leader.